the C key for accessibility options.
The Speed Hunters Showdown is back as Palm City plays host once again to the state's foremost racing exhibition. Each day, thousands of eager fans will be hoping to catch a glimpse of the very best high-performance cars in action. But when the sun goes down, you can quickly find yourself in a far more dangerous territory. Welcome to the world of street racing, an underground scene inhabited by daredevils and speed freaks.
Talk to me, Joe. How are we doing?
Hanging in there.
Good. Just keep your foot on the floor. What's the tea, Richie?
There's some real speed in this race, Anna.
We knew they were gonna bring it. This is the lead we're going for here. Come on, guys. This is ours. Okay, eyes up. We're heading downtown. Expect trouble. Hey, we've got company on the right.
Coming up on the back. Let's see what they got.
Shit, I think I know this cop.
Aw, cute.
I'm serious. He's bad news.
We scored big on this one. There's some prime hunting here.
He's not quitting, Anna.
Neither are we.
Yeah? Speak for yourself. I'm out.
What the hell? Richie! Richie! Did he seriously just bail?
Got him in my sights, heading north through the city.
You picked the wrong night to go racing.
Be advised. Sealed off the north exit.
Roadblock ahead of you. Take a right.
Get it up, you're done.
This is Air 1 on tracking a Polestar and the factories in St. Crossing versus the bridge into Eagle Shores. Keep those cars lit up. I ain't losing them.
That's what you think.
We're not shaking this bird.
Leave that to me.
Stop the car, now.
RV deployed, south exit.
Don't let that stop you.
Let's get off the street.
Good call.
Shit, this cop's still on me. Anna, I'm on the bridge. That cop trying to... Ah!
What did you do? What'd you do to that sweet-ass ride? You lost the car. He lost the car.
No, Shaw. This is on you.
You're gonna wish you never survived.
Who says he did?
What are we doing here?
Sending a message.
Wait, stop!
Hey, he said...
We're on camera back there.
Shaw, hold it.
So this is how we work now?
These crews gotta learn. Try making a mockery of my unit, you're gonna take the fall.
Frank, You're smarter than this. You want to send a message? You need a messenger.
You, get out of town. And if we see you or any of your crew around here again, you're gonna be joining that car. You understand? Get up. Go tell your friends.
Oh, yeah. No, I checked it out. Oh, hey, I'll be with you in a second.